Ginger is a popular spice and medicinal herb that has been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. It is a perennial plant that belongs to the Zingiberaceae family, which also includes turmeric and cardamom. Ginger has a characteristic pungent and spicy flavor, which comes from its main bioactive compound, gingerol. The ginger plant is native to Southeast Asia, and its underground stem, known as a rhizome, is the part that is commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine. Historically, ginger has been used in Asian, Indian, and Arabic herbal traditions for its medicinal properties. It was introduced to the Roman Empire around the 1st century AD and was widely traded throughout Europe during the Middle Ages. Today, ginger is grown in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world and is a key ingredient in many culinary dishes and natural remedies. Here are the top 30 medical benefits of ginger. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger contains gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation and relieve pain in conditions such as arthritis, muscle soreness, and menstrual pain. Digestive aid. Ginger is known to help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. Nausea relief. Ginger is effective in reducing nausea caused by pregnancy, motion sickness, and chemotherapy. Migraine relief. Ginger may help prevent migraines by reducing inflammation and inhibiting prostaglandins. Antioxidant. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect cells from oxidative stress and free radicals. Anti-cancer. Ginger's bioactive compounds may have cancer-fighting properties, particularly against gastrointestinal cancers. Antimicrobial. Ginger has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. Cardiovascular health. Ginger may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. Diabetes management. Ginger has been found to improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Menstrual pain relief. Ginger can help alleviate menstrual pain when consumed regularly. Respiratory health. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system and alleviate symptoms of asthma and bronchitis. Cold and flu relief. Ginger can help boost the immune system and soothe sore throats and coughs. Weight loss. Ginger may help increase metabolism and promote weight loss. Stress relief. Ginger has been found to have a calming effect on the nervous system. Oral health. Ginger's antimicrobial properties can help combat bad breath and prevent oral infections. Muscle pain relief. Ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness after exercise. Enhances brain function. Ginger has been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Osteoarthritis relief. Ginger may help alleviate pain and improve joint function in people with osteoarthritis. Improve digestion. Ginger can help stimulate saliva production and support proper digestion. Promotes healthy skin. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help improve skin health and reduce the signs of aging. Fights fungal infections. Ginger has been found to be effective against various fungal infections. Helps with morning sickness. Ginger can help alleviate morning sickness during pregnancy. Lowers risk of heart disease. Ginger may help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels and preventing blood clot formation. Reduces menstrual bleeding. Ginger may help reduce heavy menstrual bleeding in some women. Eases symptoms of dysmenorrhea. Ginger can help alleviate pain and other symptoms associated with dysmenorrhea. Improves liver function. Ginger may help protect the liver from damage and improve its function. Boosts immune system. Ginger can help strengthen the immune system due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Reduces muscle cramps. Ginger may help alleviate muscle cramps by improving blood circulation and reducing inflammation. Improves circulation. Ginger has been found to improve blood flow, which can help prevent and alleviate cold hands and feet. Helps with sleep. Ginger's calming effect on the nervous system may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality.